Hello everyone, I'm working right now on this double oven. It's a Whirlpool stove. I'm going to replace this first relay. This is the bigger relay. I believe this one is for 24 volts. And I'm just going to show you how I do that. So I put some flux in there. And now I'm just going to take the solder out. So there's 4 legs on this one. As you can see, the solder is coming out very nice. It's not always coming nice like that, but this one is a lucky one. So I think this relay is loose now and I can remove it. Let's see. Yeah, it flew in my face. Yeah, that's the relay. This is the old one and this is the new one. It's the same relay. I'm just gonna swap them, and same procedure as always. You just have to put the flux in. I first do all my flux, then I put the solder, and then I clean it after. Once the job is all done, I clean everything, all the board, and just to make sure it's all nice and clean. Sometimes it's tough with one hand, but this one is actually not too bad. All what you want to do, you want to create one point, and then the relay should hold. So once one point is created and you put solder on one point, you can continue to another point, to the other leg. So this relay is good. I just want to kind of correct this little one, this little leg. There we go. Yeah, so this one is all done. That was easy. Now I'm gonna take off this one. So this one is brand new now. Now I'm gonna take this guy. Again, same procedure. You put solder, flux. And now I'm gonna take the old solder out. This one comes out really nice too, which is awesome. You can always put a little bit more flux, and then it will be easy to take off the old solder. You have to be careful because see, I took off a little bit of this other line. See, you don't want to take off this connection right there, and then I'll take this out as well. Yeah, this one I think will come out really nice too. Awesome. Yeah, I think everything is loose at this point, so now I'll try to remove the relay. Yeah, here we go. This one came out really nice. And now, so this is the 2 bed relays, garbage, and then those ones are the good ones. I'm actually surprised that it came like within less than 24 hours, I would say. And again, same thing, You just put solder on one leg. This one is a little uncomfortable, but I'll just try it. Here, one leg, and then I'll see if I can push it a little bit more. Boom. Okay, and then you wait a few seconds, let go, and you do it on the other ones too. Boom. Done. I forgot the flux, but that's okay. You want to make sure you go all around for a very good contact. Boom. That's it. Two relays are swapped. Now it's the fun part. I'll stop the video now, but you got the idea. Those ones are all complete and finished. Gonna do those ones and then swap this one, and this board is ready. I'm gonna put this nicely back, put those pods under, and I'll ship it to the customer. He's gonna have to test at home. If you guys have any questions, you can comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and take care. Bye bye.